Mac Nasty and his sidekick Sneaky Sam took their morning bath in grease and grime. Then they slipped away to rob the ice cream man and left the kid his friend without a dime. Dastardly Dan and oil can hear it. Get their pleasure doing people harm. They hatched a plan to kidnap Cousin Mary. They went and snatched the poor old girl right off the farm. Because they're happy when they're mad and they never feeling sad. Just as long as they can be so bad and scary. And there ain't nothing in the news but dirty old dudes. The villains got a hold of the nation, stealing everything from mothers to shoes. They even made off with my inspiration. Just as long as they can be so bad and scary. There ain't nothing in the news but dirty old dudes. The villains got a hold of the nation, stealing everything from mothers to shoes. They even made off with my inspiration. Detective Sergeant Bludgeon and his partner Funky Stooge, open up, cruising along down Greeley Street, and you can't tell Uncle Sam from Uncle Scrooge. And the long arm of the law has got a fee. There's a wave of crime sweeping over the land, and the villains got a hold of the nation, and no one's got the time to lend a hand. They got no cause for jubilation, and there ain't nothing in the news but the dirty old dudes. The villains got a hold of the nation, stealing everything from mothers to shoes. They even made off with my inspiration. Yeah, there ain't nothing in the news but the dirty old dudes. The villains got a hold of the nation, and they've been stealing everything from mothers to shoes. They even made off with my inspiration.